Question 1. Who visited Nagaland in March 2026 for the 8th convocation of Nagaland University at Lumami? A. Drupadi Murmu. B. C.P. Radhakrishnan. C. Jagdeep Dhankar. D. Narendra Modi. The correct answer is B. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan visited from March 6 to 8, 2026. He addressed the 8th convocation ceremony at the Lumami campus. He emphasized the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision for the youth. The visit was the first by a vice president to the remote Lumami headquarters. Question 2. Where was the State Export Summit 2026 held to boost local MSME growth? A. Kohima. B. Mokokchung. C. Chumoukedima. D. Tuensang. The correct answer is C. Chumoukedima. The summit was held on March 6 at Rhododendron Hall, Chumoukedima. It was organized under the RAMP scheme by the Department of Industries and Commerce. Local entrepreneurs were trained on global market standards and logistics. Advisor Hekani Jakalu delivered the keynote address at the event. Question 3. The 8th session of the 14th NLA, which began on March 2, 2026, is primarily for what purpose? A. Border dispute talks. B. Budget presentation 2026 to 2027. C. Monsoon legislation. D. Tribal council election. The correct answer is B. Budget presentation 2026 to 2027. Governor Ajay Kumar Bala summoned the 8th session of the 14th NLA. The session focuses on presenting the state budget for the financial year 2026 to 2027. It included 5 sittings to discuss departmental grants and policies. The session also discussed critical preparations for Census 2027. Question 4. The Asmita program poster launched in Dimapur is dedicated to promoting what? A. Organic farming. B. Women in sports. C. Adult literacy. D. Digital banking. The correct answer is B. Women in sports. Launched by Member of Parliament S. Supong Marin Jamir on March 6, 2026. Asmita stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action. It is a flagship initiative of the Ministry of Youth Affairs. Competitions include track and field events for young women athletes. Question 6. Which FEC district village celebrated Women's Day with an indigenous flower show? A. Konoma. B. Zulami. C. Ungma. D. Putsero. The correct answer is B. Zulami. Zulami Village organized the competition on March 6, 2026. The theme of the event was Give to Gain to promote rural empowerment. It focused on promoting floriculture as a small business for local women. Over 100 varieties of indigenous orchids and flowers were showcased. Question 6. The Mahila Jan Sunwai campaign, launched in March 2026, is an initiative for A. Seed distribution. B. Grievance redressal for women. C. Voter registration. D. Skill training. The correct answer is B. Grievance redressal for women. Initiated by the Nagaland State Commission for Women on March 9, public hearings are held in Deputy Commissioner conference halls across the state. It provides women with a direct platform for legal and social justice. It aims to safeguard women's rights through interaction with experts. Question 7. Which Nagaland college will receive a Doppler weather radar under Mission Mausam? A. Kohima Science College. B. Fazl Ali College. C. Patkai Christian College. D. Dimarpur Govt College. The correct answer is A. Kohima Science College. The radar is an X-band polarimetric Doppler weather radar. It will improve the accuracy of weather forecasting across Nagaland. The project is part of an MOU with the India Meteorological Department. It will aid significantly in disaster management and agricultural planning. Question 8. The FNTA agreement praised by the Vice President in 2026 is for which region? A. Southern Nagaland, B. Eastern Nagaland, C. Western Nagaland, D. Central Nagaland. The correct answer is B. Eastern Nagaland. FNTA stands for Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority. The agreement involves the NPO, Nagaland State Government, and the Center. It provides administrative autonomy while keeping the state's integrity. It aims to fast-track development in the 6 eastern districts.